Nice, let's go. You play for me.
Karibu sana.
My favorite tune.
But I've been working on an album for a long time. After you release a certain amount of music, for me the pressure went down to just release all the time.
Yeah.
I said, okay, I want to work on a full project. So I've been working on a project, songs I've been writing from the shamba, different things, different type of things, different styles of music as well. Then I decided, okay, I'll release this one.
Yeah, I think you can play for me a little bit of.
I need to sit down though.
Yeah.
Mapenzi, how you been? Umepotelea wapi? Umefanya nini na nani? Unajua, Ati baby, it's cold outside. Mapenzi, won't you come inside? You don't have to hide your love. Unajua, Ati baby, I'm your guy. Mapenzi, put your pride aside. You don't have to hide your love, Sema. Mapenzi, how you been? Habari ya maisha. I miss you, my teacher. Yeah. Sema. Mapenzi, how you been? Umepotelea wapi? Umefanya nini na nani? Unajua, sema aje. Ati baby, it's cold outside. Mapenzi, won't you come inside? You don't have to hide your love. Unajua, Ati baby, I'm your guy. Mapenzi, put your pride aside. You don't have to hide your love, Sema. Mapenzi, I've been fine. Sijui nisemeje. Oh, niko poa. I miss you. Imagine hajui kunipa love. I don't know why I ever left you. Oh, oh, mbona sikukupata. Unajua, yeah. Ati that it's cold outside. Mapenzi, can I come inside?
I don't wanna hurt our love.
Umeshindaje, baby, now that you're with him and you're not here? Nakuhitaji. I'm used to it, you know, nimekumiss, nitakupenda milele. Even though I'm not around you, there'll always be room for you right here kwa roho yangu. Unajua, Ati baby, it's cold outside. Penzi, won't you come inside? You don't have to hide your love. Unajua, sema aje. Ati baby, I'm your guy. Penzi, put your pride aside. You don't have to hide your love, sema. Penzi, how you been?
Very much. That was beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Ulijifunza Kiswahili when wewe?
I live here.
No, seriously, ulianza kujininia.
From Kenyans. Just from Kenyans.
Au kwenda shule, you didn't get,
for a little bit I had, we sat with Mwalimu and for about a year I studied Mangelis, but more just from listening, from hearing. I hear better than I speak, less comfortable speaking. People know that about me, but writing songs is different. Writing songs is me with the guitar alone, quietly, confident to put out whatever I want, and then if I need to correct, I can always ask somebody,
But sasa uliona aje, it's time for me kuweka Kiswahili in my music.
No, it just happened. It just happened. It wasn't the plan. It just, I started writing Unajua and it just came like that, It just came.
Challenges gani umepitia, you know, with this different culture and the music culture, and you understand music in Kenya doesn't pay as much, you know.
I was never in
What
it for the
challenges
money.
have you faced?
I never came in it for the money. I'm not,
Yeah.
you know, bring money, no problem, yeah?
Yeah.
And of course I charge for my shows and all that. But the journey didn't start from a place of wanting to be
It's
a successful
business.
musician.
Yeah.
I wrote a song. And then friends said, you should do a video and you should share it. So I shared with some friends and it blew up by itself. Yeah.
You didn't put in as much effort, you know, as
The
you know,
times
someone...
later when I've tried to put in effort or write what I thought people wanted me to write is those songs you'd never hear of them, because they didn't do as well. When you write from a real place, it just came.
Yeah.
It just came.
Thanks so much.
Thanks so much. Thanks for having me.
I'm gonna let you go.
Asante sana.
Yeah, we were just hearing about you. You released a few songs just the other day.
I released Never Again. That's my latest release.
Yes.
It wasn't something I had planned. And then after October 7th, I released Never Again, which was my take on October 7th in Israel from the perspective of Gilad, who lives in Kenya and works in Kajiado.
Yes.
And I'd always wanted to include those beautiful scenes of the Ngong Hills.
Yes.
And I always wanted that for a video.
The beautiful landscapes.
So that kind of connected, and I said, I just wanted a video that shows, you know, me here. So the setting was perfect, and, you know, magical Kenya as a background for a video, you can't ask for more, right?
Exactly. Yeah. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.